We are here at the Jawahar Nagar High Secondary School in the heart of Srinagar. As you can see, this is a mock drill that has been started, and in fact, it is something new for the students here, because they have no idea what to do, how to do it. So they are trying to show them what exactly they need to do in case there is a war emergency, in case there is an aerial bombing or any siren that they hear. Obviously, that's an emergency siren. And these mock drills have already started. Though tomorrow is the day when we know Pan India is going to happen, but from today only, we saw these mock drills practice being done by schools in various locations. As you can see, these boys, they are here, and from the last half an hour, they were told what to do, how to react, how to save themselves, and if there is a siren, a war siren, a siren which suggests that there could be aerial bombing, there could be a missile that is coming the way, what they really need to do, obviously go to location where they can find some shelter, save themselves. So this obviously is something new, and while everyone, including the education department here, is trying their best to do it in the shortest possible time, send this message across to people that what really needs to be done, why these drills are very critical for everyone to take seriously. So that really is the message. You can see these youngsters, students here, they have started this, and obviously as the time goes on, by tomorrow you will see such drills in every school, every department, every hospital in Kashmir, because as we have been saying, Kashmir is sensitive. It is an area which has a long line of control, and it has some very critical army installations, air force bases around scattered. So people living around them are even more vulnerable to that danger. So these are the kind of drills that are happening, and obviously the message to the people is that they really need to take it seriously. Because you never know what kind of eventuality, what kind of war situation you may see, and if they take it seriously, they can implement it in real-time situation and lives can be saved.